Hello students, welcome to this social science class of geography. This week we shall start a new chapter, that is chapter 3. The topic is our changing earth. Lithospheric plates. The lithosphere is broken into a number of plates known as the lithospheric plates. And you will be surprised to know that these plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. And this is because of the movement of the molten magma inside the earth. The molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner. Now, as you can see in the picture, the lithospheric plates are divided into 7 major tectonic plates. The earth movements. The movement of these plates causes changes on the surface of the earth. The earth movements are divided on the basis of the forces which causes them. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called as endogenic forces, and the forces that work on the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces. The word endo means inside and exo means outside. Genic means origin. As you can see in the picture, earth's movement, like endogenic forces. Under endogenic forces is divided into sudden forces and diastrophic forces. Sudden forces like are earthquake, volcano and landslide. These occur suddenly. And diastrophic process are process that move, elevate or build portion of the earth's crust, that is known as diastrophic process. For example, building mountains. Then coming to exogenic forces. Exogenic forces are forces that occur outside, that is on the surface of the earth, like erosional and depositional work. And the agents of erosion and depositional work are river, wind, sea waves, glacier, etc. Earthquakes and volcanoes. Endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements and at the other times produce slow movements. Sudden movements like earthquakes and volcanoes cause mass distraction over the surface of the earth. Volcano. A volcano is a vent that is opening in the earth's crust through which molten materials erupt suddenly. You can have a look in the figure 3.2 of your textbook. See right below you can see the magma chamber. It is in liquid form. Then right above that you have the earth's crust. Then a pipe like thing coming out. It is called the vent, and at the opening of the vent, that is on the surface, it is called the crater. And from this crater, from the inside the earth through the crater, gas and ashes comes out and it rolls down in the form of liquid. Then it is known as lava. That means this magma, when it comes out on the surface of the earth, it is known as lava. Earthquakes. When the lithospheric plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. The vibration can travel all round the earth. These vibrations are called earthquakes. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called the focus. The place on the surface above the focus is called the epicenter. Vibrations travel outwards from the epicenter as waves. So greatest damage is usually closest to the epicenter, and the strength of the earthquake decreases away from the center. Dear students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day ahead.